Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Little Mermaid on Dress to Impress. I am doing the ball gown version of this, so you can stick around if you want to. But if you're looking for the mermaid one, I'm not doing that right now. I just think it's a little bit overused, and this gown is super pretty to do. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, do not look at the back. I use this hair as well as the herring codes in this color here, and I also used these bangs too. If you want the accessory adjustment, here it is: position and rotation, X at 0.39, Y 0.56, and I left the scale. And for this one, I just brought it down. For the actual outfit, let me just remove everything except for the clip. I'll do the clip first. The adjustment for it is position at 0.52, Y at 0.71, Z at 0.42, rotation is at X 0.19, Y at 0.24, and Z at 0.18, and the scale is 0.32. Oh, I don't know why I deleted that. Oh, anyways, so for this fit, I used this dress, and I toggled to only skirt, and for the colors I did this for the pink and did this for the inside color. And then for the other part of the skirt, I used this in the type 3, and I colored it this, and then the rest, actually I colored it this first and then the rest in this pink color. For the top, I did use this corset. You can use any top that you'd like, of course, but I'm just going to use this one. And then for the sleeves, I just used this in that color, and then this one in that same color. And for the shoes, I just use this, but you can use any shoe that you'd like to, of course. And that is how you can create the Little Mermaid dress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Sorry, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.